Hi, I am Uday. I am from Cyrus Biz Solutions Private Limited. We make the best ERP solutions for your business. We deliver what you require according to your needs. We have several modules like Automobile Service Business Management Software, Food and Beverages Management Software, Hotel Management Software, Restaurants, bar, pubs, cafes and clubs management software, Membership clubs, societies management software, Accounting software, Inventory management software, Financial management software, CRM software, Educational system management software, Hospital management software, Real estate management system software, Property management software, Human resource management software, Payroll management software, Production management software, Jewelry business management software. We offer a full suite of IT solutions, which include standard products, software solutions and customization. Thank you for watching. Please feel free to contact us at Kiran 9100012625.